Because of the consistent turn of events and advocacy of the thoughts of the digital money local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and calculated arrangements that could further develop client cooperation with crypto. One of these activities is the Cosmos organization, and its inward advanced coin Atom Cosmos is an environment comprised of blockchains that can communicate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was disengaged and couldn't meet with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Plus, it was challenging to accomplish high exchange speed. Nonetheless, Cosmos offers another mechanical vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains function as free equals, fueled by the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement made by Jae Kwon in 2014. Universe makes a biological system of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the communication objectives. Versatility, Byzantine fault tolerance, proof-of-stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a couple of words, Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) is a property of a framework equipped for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the problems of Byzantine generals. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working, regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting noxiously. Versatility is a fundamental component of any venture pointed toward supporting future application improvement. Universe will likely expand its adaptability utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, understanding convention, and essential language. Market predictions. There is a considerable amount of contest among projects attempting to settle the communication issues between blockchains. Universe's rivals incorporate new businesses like Polkadot, Aeon, and Penta. Universe offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks, however the issue of collaboration between blockchains is as yet significant. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains yet additionally to trade data in full. Subsequently, the eventual fate of the task relies upon its turn of events. It is unsafe to compose a gauge for the Atom digital currency, very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively unusual. Nonetheless, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they match with the truth is another inquiry. As per wallet investor and digital coin price, the Atom rate will keep acquiring benefit in an issue of a year. Toward the finish of 2021, it could reach nearly $30, making it 33% of expected development. Governor Capital Cost estimate isn't more bullish than others, since it predicts that the cost of Atom could reach $29. Many specialists who reason basically and don't face challenges consistently exhort on the off chance that you put resources into Cosmos, not to an extreme. Moreover, they help us to remember the way that such ventures ought to be seen as long haul. There will be no easy gain for this situation. What's more, obviously, Atom's possibilities will be impacted not just by the improvement of the actual venture yet in addition by the condition of the digital currency market all in all. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The most extreme level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. August 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Atom cost will be exchanged at $11.14 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cosmos worth to $11.84. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $10.75 in August 2022. IOTA price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Cosmos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $11.58. The least and pinnacle atom rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the atom cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the Cosmos cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. IOTA price forecast for November 2022. Having examined Cosmos costs, digital currency specialists expect that the atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the determined normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the atom cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The greatest expected atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos, in 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Cosmos and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its greatest can reach $45.87. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97. Universe price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cosmos by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least atom costs are normal in 2026. $67.61